Okay, I have drawn 3 lands in a row. I gotta hit the board wipe, right? Right? Hold it right there, Chief. What do you mean you gotta hit the board wipe? Let's see what probability has to say about that. We will assume Papa Sliver kept an initial 7-card hand of 3 lands and 4 spells. That would mean that in the remaining 53 cards of the deck, which originally had, let's say, 26 lands and 34 spells, there are still 23 lands and 30 spells. We will also assume the deck has been properly shuffled and randomized, no stacking or cheating or any funny business. What we wanna know is the probability of drawing n consecutive lands from the top of the deck after our initial conditions have been met. Papa Sliver just said that he has drawn 3 lands in a row. So, what's the probability of drawing 4 lands in a row and thus losing the game? That's what we call conditional probability. Look, this is not a mathematics channel, this is an MTG channel, and even though I studied mathematics as a major, it's been 5 or 6 years since I finished college, so I don't remember shit and I was barely able to make this video, so yeah. Just look, pretty numbers coming up. There are 53 cards left in our deck, 23 of them are lands. So the chances of drawing a land on our first turn are 23 in 53. Let's say this happens. Now we have 52 cards but only 22 are lands. The chances of drawing another land on our second draw step, 22 in 52. On our third draw step it would be 21 in 51, and on our fourth draw step it's 20 in 50. But that's just the probability of each individual case. To know the actual probability of drawing 4 lands in a row, conditional probability tells us we have to multiply all of these previous numbers. So, 23 in 53 times 22 in 52 times 21 in 51 times 20 in 50. That's equal to 0.4339 times 0.4230 times 0.4117 times 0.4. That's equal to 0.0302. Probability is measured from 0 to 1. If we want the percentage, we just multiply by 100. Therefore, we have 3.02% chance of drawing 4 lands in a row with the initial conditions we stated. That's a pretty low chance, right? And the probability of drawing more than 4 lands in a row gets lower and lower and lower. So yeah, the probability of drawing n lands in a row is relatively low, but remember, it's not 0. And because it's not 0, well, then it might just happen to you.